this was a surprise. So I don't know.
I think that's how we think.
I've been knew I was getting a dog since Christmas, and I knew what type of dog, but I knew that it wasn't gonna be ready until this week or pick up. So hopefully.
Put my mask on before I got school.
You gotta give us some love, cuz.
Love you.
Have a good day, okay?
Love you. Have a good day.
You don't ever be bad.
No.
So you don't be being bad at school?
I get tomato pants.
You do. You get
Perfect.
sight word superstar.
You ain't get perfect attendance no more because you came from school Friday. You left school Friday.
But she got student of the week.
Yeah. And as soon as she got student of the week, she left school.
Yeah, don't tell the camera that.
You shame. You shame. You did it.
Look.
Dad told the camera, not me. So you gotta get him. Good morning.
Good morning. What's up, baby?
Have a good day. You too. So we just dropped Brooklyn off at school, and we're on the way to get my new puppy. It's a golden doodle. He's black. We're gonna name him Brody. So I just wanted to show y'all all the things I got. So this is the collar. It has a bow tie, and it was just so cute. It actually reminds me of Blue's Clues, so that's why I picked this one, because I loved Blue's Clues when I was a kid. And this is his dog tag. It says Brody, and it has my information on the back, my name and my phone number in case he gets lost. So he has this collar, and I have a blue leash. I brought it with me so in case we have to get out and stop and let him use the bathroom, he won't run away. So, and I have this to-go water drink dispenser for the puppy. I can just fill it up with water, and you can drink water out of here. And I have this collapsible bowl so he can eat while we're on the road, because we're gonna be gone for 3 hours. So I don't know when it's gonna be his last feeding time. So I just brought this just in case.
Tell them where we're going right now.
Oh, we had to turn around and go back to the school because someone left their snack. So we gotta take this back to the school and
like Trent. I'm a bad yellow bitch with a rich head to me. I be dogging these hoes like Peter. I rock Chanel white beaters in a two-seater Bentley. Still the shit, you see the flies on me, bitch. Got them pissed cause they guys on my dick. All in sex, blowing racks on my beat. Tell her throw it in the bed, we ain't trying on that shit. I'm not the little hoe that you try. I do not let shit slide. You got me fucked up. I'm bad and I'm reaching, I'm fine. Make them pay for my time and still can't fuck. I walk like I talk like I act like I look like I think like my shit don't stink. I fuck like I suck like I ride like I taste like I look like my shit don't stink. I walk like I talk like I act like I look like I think like my shit don't stink. I fuck like I suck like I ride like I taste like I look like my shit don't stink.
me tell y'all a secret. Don't ever let your wife go in the store by herself. She know we got somewhere to be, but she been in that bitch about 20 minutes now. I knew I was fucking up. I bet you I won't stop no more. I don't give a damn she got to piss, throw up, or what. She tough. I should leave her for real. The crazy thing about it, she's spending all this time in the fucking dollar store. What can you really get at the dollar store? I bet she in there, I can go in there right now, and she going down every aisle looking at everything on the shelf. One thing about my wife, she gonna shop now. I don't care if you take her to the flea market, you can take her to Walmart, you can take her to the dollar store, you can take her to a damn yard sale, and she gonna shop for hours and hours, no matter what, hands down. And she might buy one thing. I go in the store, I'm in and I'm out. I know what I'm looking for, and once I get that, it's over with. She got a problem. She really need rehab for real.
20 minutes later.
What you got?
If you have unfiled taxes or are in debt to the IRS, this is important news. The IRS just rolled out a new program to help struggling taxpayers more easily resolve their tax problems. It's called the Tax.
And I got these for Brooklyn for Valentine's Day.
Get back on the right track with the IRS, and no one knows this program.
And I got her these socks
At Optima
They're so
Tax Relief,
cute.
America's most trusted resolution company.
for Valentine's Day.
That's it.
That's it. Thought I had some for that dog then. What you thought I was in there with?
Told y'all.
What you told them?
Nah, you ready?
What you thought I was in?
Nah.
Thought I was in Licky.
I told me I'm busy. I can go in there right now. You going down every aisle looking at everything on every shelf.
No, I didn't actually. I went down the aisles I was interested in.
Some restrictions apply. For complete details, please visit Optima Tax Relief.
I went down the dog aisle.
The current circumstances.
I went down
Out
the
a full year to travel and enjoy. 4 days in
clearance. You know, I had to go to the clearance aisle.
with shuttle and tickets to the park.
I went down the baby clothes aisle.
Baby clothes.
Yeah, the home aisle. For that camp. See if I can find Brody some little shirts or something. But I ain't find those. What you finna say? What that baby? No, not no baby, but mine.
Girl, I flew to Paris just to buy some Dior. She begging for attention, I don't see her. See, I pick pop, I wish that you could see us. Me and Cash Plus whenever I go real. I got some in the street won't beat me. I got the industry trying to beat me. I just go Ray Charles, they can't see me. I'm in a Rolls Royce with a race wrong, but I'm always right. So I know how to shoot, and I know how to fight. I tell you once, I'll tell you twice. I'm real discreet, like a thief in the night. Yeah, like a thief in the night. I pull up, give it deep for the night. Tryna fuck in the BSI. We can't fuck up my seats cause they white. I'm living like Thriller, I only come out at the nighttime. She don't with liquor, don't like being tipsy. She don't do the Henny, just white wine. Pop the cork on some new Pinot Grigio. I pull up in the Porsche with a freakin'. Park the Porsche and pull up in the Lambo. I hop out, major pain, rockin' camo. Then she cute, make her let a man go. Like to shoot, light you up, the Rambo. Cuban link full of rocks, it's a choke. Rest in peace to the pop, make me smoke. I think I'm wrong, but I'm always right. So I know how to shoot, and I know how to fight. I tell you once, I'll tell you twice. I'm real discreet, like a thief in the night. Tired of this car, this switch up. Tired of my whole new bitch. At this point, this shit pimp. Never outbeat the system. Drop 2, 3, it's bitch. Handle the business, don't mention. Ain't even have a pot to piss. Now I got a man, I'm turning limp. Tired of this car, this switch up. Tired of my whole new bitch. At this point, this shit pimp. Never outbeat the system. Drop 2, 3, it's bitch. Handle the business, don't mention. Ain't even have a pot to piss. Now I got a man, I'm turning limp. No biz. Yeah. The money be calling again and again and again. Don't wanna do nothing but win. I think that I'm moving too fast again. Told me you love, show me your love. Let me see that you love, let me feel that you love. You show me, girl, they got love for a thug. Before we stay down, we go up. Ain't no limit inside of this world. Yeah, I'ma run this money up with you. Tell me go win, I'm think too. You don't do the shit that a bitch do. I'ma show you all what a freak do. Come and hop in the whip when I slide through. Trap house with them dudes, that's a drive through. Got that money coming in all different ways. Feeling like I'm from a rock. They can't see up in my attention. Why you all up in my business? I can show you how to get it. Just show me your intention. Like a first lot of drugs, I flip it. Just tell me what the shit is. Feeling like stroke packs coming through the mail. I done made a whole lot of binges.
Watch how I drip when I get they make out. Codeine I sit on my look, don't get splattered. Doctor told me I got lean in my bladder. Run through this cash, my family don't matter. I got your back for the same pen together. Pop out the tag, my partner just swim. Baby blue jet, me my mom feel better. Fuck the snow bunny at my show and Coachella. VVS bandit pointers in my belly. We move too fast, it get slimy as ever. Life is too grimy, y'all watch for the devil. It's a road runs and it come with umbrellas. 2018 and that punch Corolla. Go your pouch. Racks in a quarter ounce. 2 accounts. Large amounts. Shop around. Designer down. Dribble drown. Dribble drown. Yeah. Killing these hoes need to call paramedics. New Fendi runners, I feel athletic. Run that shit up by my partner a paddock. Blowing this cash, it was time we ain't had it. Got 21 bitches, I must be a savage. Cooking in kitchen, it don't smell like acid. Pouring this high tech, I'm sipping, relaxing. Vibes in LA, gonna fucking embarrass. If it in plastic, put him in the casket. I wipe this nose quickly, pass him a nap. Got an addiction in love with this fashion. Praying for all of my bros, like be careful. Lifetime my hats, cause you always be careful. Niggas ain't eating, start capping, you fasting. Can't get no sleep, cause my life is all action. See how shit happen, I made it in rapping. Go your pouch. Racks in a quarter ounce. 2 accounts. Large amounts. Shop around. Designer down. Dribble drown. Dribble drown. Yeah.
She say she straight cookie, motherfucker go broke like Jock. Fucking that dog like D. Not that rock, that P. I made it out of my sock, can't hold my Glock, reason I don't like that shit. Young turn nigga can't wipe no bitch. Excuse my French, don't like no bitch. Limo 10 on fat, my car, yeah, I had it hurt. So my bitch broke bad, I ain't had her hurt. Yeah, that's us. 2-tone AP, yeah, I'm bust. Got to hear from her, ain't even wanna fuck. Why, slut, bye. Nothing on me from sex, everything revive. Old nigga told him bro should've died. No, he ain't Kim, dog, he ain't try. Still a bet my lash, some nice in the hood. Take cool chain off, bitch, not good. Probably in some fast with a Glock in the hood. Course that takes smell a walk on the wood. First turn nigga from the hood, they curious. Spoiled cars about 5 and jury.
I get the comments with no this period. I got your B on one, put on the mirrors. First young nigga in the A2 man, run a 14 mil, started 14 grams. Dope boy tickets and diamonds and 10. You should play with that boy, he is not one of them.
I kept taking L's, finally got me an M. Still make a double, I don't call when I spin. That's 550, 2018. Gotta come 20 if you hoppin' in the Benz. Y'all turn nigga from the D to the A. I'm rockin' with the Lions.
Yeah, I'm rockin' with the Braves. Yeah, we pay.
Yeah, we pay.
I'ma turn up a little more this time. Just trim back in, I got it on dry. I had a spot like a varsity. What are you having? By 20, I found what you got. I put on trip, I believe I can fly. Niggas know that I'm rich, but ain't gon' have to try. I had a show in Detroit and I started reviving. Spent 50 on all of the guys. All of these hoes and these stores make commission. And plus I'ma tip them, they holding my size. Get in your car and just put on your flashes and follow the hearse. And you say you gon' ride, cause somebody gon' die if they fuck with us. Turn a 5 to a dime, that's a double up. Fuck around, walking church on my double cut. This shit that happen, I'm praying, I give it up. Take a stay with a wood, make them give it up. Know I ran through a meal every week off of weed. Bro, be the try, you give me some street, got it back in the pickup. I won't even leave, run it up, fuck around, get it vetted. DT, keep a hot boy with me, I got love for BG. Chasing his papers in 12 or 13, running around in these streets, he was me and Marquise.
First turn nigga from the hood, they curious. Spoiled cars about 5 and jury.
I get the comments with no this period. I got your B on one, put on the mirrors. First young nigga in the A2 man, run a 14 mil, starting 14 grams. Dope boy tickets and diamonds and 10. You should play with that boy, he is not one of them.
Okay, y'all, so we like 8 minutes away from picking up Brody. The breeder, she had to work today, so she took him to work with her at the bank. So we headed to the bank now to pick him up. And I'm kind of nervous, my hands sweat a little bit. I feel like I'm nervous. This is my first dog, so nervous. I'm ready to meet him though. Hopefully he's nice and sweet and cuddly, because I want to cuddle.
Yeah. What about me?
I'll cuddle you. But you can cuddle me when you gone.
Damn.
Hopefully he chill, because we pretty chill. We be chilling at home, so hopefully he ain't like over hyper and just excited, too excited.
I know where he will be.
What?
Okay.
What?
I said where he will be.
Oh, outside.
Okay.
No, he gonna be in the house with us.
We here. Back up right here.
I put my mask on. Here's my mask. Hey, boy. I love him. He's just so pretty. Okay, y'all. Here is Brody. He's so adorable. I love him already. You want to hold him? Tell the camera, hey, Brody. Say hey. Oh, he's just perfect. He's perfect, perfect, perfect. I love him already. I think Brooklyn don't like it too.
Yeah, you already know. Try to run it.
She's already waiting. Tell him, hey, Brody. Let him see you. Say, my name is Brody.
We at Jersey Mike's. I'm about to put on these subs. She talking about Subway the best. She tripping. We in Valdosta, Georgia right now.
It's good.
You ain't back in the Subway? Why you tripping? Just don't want it lit.
I wouldn't compare it to Subway.
Yeah, you
I compare it more to like Charlie's. Is it Charlie's? Oh, Charlie's, which one?
Oh, Charlie's up
I
there.
think it's Charlie's.
So I'm in the car trying to eat my food. I done fucked up and let her go and beat like by herself. I done slipped the fucking game. She went and got bitch to get a dog collar because the one she brought was a little too big. I can only imagine what the fuck she come out with, man. And big lives. It's pretty big, so I know I'll be here for a while, so fuck it. Guess I enjoy my little Jersey Mike, so. That one woman, boy, you can't win.
Street so cold, might need me a sweater. These niggas be hokey, these bitches be left. I pull out a chopper and watch it unfold just like an umbrella. Ay. Say she wanna fuck, so I put my mans on. You know what she gon' do with them bands on. Hey, that pack and take out, bitch, we hands on. You know we got cases in the club, I'm alone with the Draco. Lay it down, don't move, or the case closed. They say shoot for the star, but if a nigga try me right now, I'ma shoot below his halo. And it's finna be a man down for this song, you Rihanna say so. No, I don't need a cosign, I see him plotting out bow tie. Give him a suit and a bow tie. Runs got me hot tail, beta put it dope. I get paranoid and start pulling the scope out. I got 1, 2, bitch playing scope out. 7.6, 2 deep off blow. Why the fuck would I rap about some shit I don't know about? Trying to sit back, no bitch, this is dope. Got the game in the new city, industry throw out. These niggas be beefing for more clout. I get the beat, put it in the head, I can hold it from rap. Controlling the flow now. We got sticks, drums, and more. That shit to wipe a fuck nigga nose like. It's so cold, might need me a sweater. These niggas be hokey, these bitches be left. I pull out the chopper and watch it unfold just like an umbrella. Say she wanna fuck, so I put my mans on. You know what she gon' do with them bands on. Get that pack and take out, bitch, we hands on. You know we got cases. It's so cold, might need me a sweater. These niggas be hokey, these bitches be left. I pull out the chopper and watch it unfold just like an umbrella. Say she wanna fuck, so I put my mans on. You know what she gon' do with them bands on. Get that pack and take out, bitch, we hands on. You know we got cases.
Hey, he's so little. He's so little, Mom.
There is